This is a quick demo of the new version of Coding with Chrome. Here's the introduction window. It's version 6.01.5. We have AIY support, tutorial engine, Google Classroom, Bluetooth. I'll focus on AIY support in the tutorial engine. So you can take my word for that I'm connected to an AIY kit by USB cable. And let's first show the tutorial. So what you haven't seen, but what happened is that currently the default Joy Demo server has been now disabled when I connected. Here's the tutorial that talks through what you need to do and how you need to plug things in. Then there's a show me button to demonstrate the play, stop and so forth buttons. Here is the show me functionality, so you can point out parts of the UI, in particular where your program output will be. And then you can try a few demo things. I'll skip this one, I'll do a cooler demo later. But the load example code is actually to reset to the current state. So we can, with the tutorial engine, add incremental pieces of code to the tutorial so you don't have to start from scratch. Should you get lost and damage your code irreparably, you don't have to go through the entire tutorial again. And then there's, the final test. But let me show a slightly more detailed demo. So we can go to the advanced mode, and the connected device is a joy detection device. So this is the Joy demo. It just preloaded the example, and you can see here that now the process is starting. And at this point, it will make a small noise and we're ready. So this is what it currently sees, very nicely 3D. And I think it detects David Mitchell, and he doesn't seem to be smiling a lot. Joy 001. But as you can see, it updates reasonably quickly. And that's it for